Good morning, happy Tuesday. I'm Laura, ErgoBaby's in-house baby wearing educator, and I'm here to share with you my tips for Tip Tuesday. So what is my tip? I suggest getting to know your carrier before baby comes or before you put that carrier on your body. And I know this may seem like an obvious tip, but you'd be surprised at how many don't take a look at the instruction manual or know that we have really awesome instructional videos on YouTube and on our blog. So my first suggestion is check out your box, but also to pull out that instruction manual. So all your baby carriers come with a really nice, handy-dandy instruction manual with really fantastic photos. So this is what it looks like for our ErgoBaby Omni carrier. And inside it has step-by-step instructions on all of the carrying positions. So if you see here, there's lots of instructions walking you through how to put your carrier on. I also suggest really playing with the carrier in your hands and getting to know its adjustment features before you transfer that onto your body with a baby. So that's my Tips Tuesday. Hope that's helpful, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us at support@ergobaby.com or join our Facebook group, Love Carries On. Bye.